Hey you guys, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Lizzet. It's so nice to meet you. I am a working mama of 3 beautiful babies, Jessie, Izzy, and Luna. Jessie is 8, Izzy is 4, and Luna is 8 months. I film mostly clean with me's, the occasional DIY, and lifestyle videos. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe so you can become a part of my YouTube family. In today's video, I will be filming a Undecorate with me as I get ready to put up all of my Christmas decor. And today's video is also a collab with 3 other awesome mamas. This is Araceli Chan. I have been subscribed to her even before I started my own channel, and she is such a down-to-earth mama. She has a separate DIY channel, which is how I found her, but she just started another lifestyle channel. I know you guys will love her as much as I do. Next is Christy Morris. She has a great channel which includes DIYs, decorating videos, and she has amazing tips and tricks as well. And then there is Mama Approved. I just met this mama and have been hooked on her videos. She films hauls, cleaning videos, and lifestyle videos. Please be sure to check out all of their channels once you are all done watching mine, and I am more than positive you will love all of their channels as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you again for all of your support. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Just wanna Last night, I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that has been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Come back to me. Tell me, do you think back on how we parted? It wasn't pretty and I'm sorry. Wish I could take back what I said then. I never meant it. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. Come back to me. Come back to me. Baby, I'm sorry for all that has been. No, I can't let go. Tell me you want something more. Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Baby, I'm sorry. I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. Can I be the one that you need? I got blood I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I